Alright y'all, welcome back to another video here on the John Doc YouTube channel. As you can tell, we're in sunny Florida. Well, I'm telling you now so you know. I'm gonna do my intro after. We're gonna look at Jared's car here. Pretty badass TKM power. Well, that makes some noise. So what are you guys doing here? You got the car unloaded and just kind of like checking it over, going through your, was it a pre-race routine, I guess?
Sort of, we've had a hell of a time with the damn thing bumping. We want to make sure that the damn thing just bumps. For whatever reason, I think this car might be possessed because it'll bump here and not up there. We're just trying to verify that one more time.
So if it bumps here, it should bump up there, but it's been fighting you.
It's been fighting. It didn't break it. We went down there, bumped fine in the pit. Shit fine in the pit, meaning on the test function, because Fuel Tech has a nice test feature to test that.
Alright.
But you go on the track, the damn thing wouldn't bump, and it damn sure wouldn't shift.
So what changes have you made going from Bradenton till now? Y'all switched to a 3-speed, right, instead of a 2-speed?
Well, no, we had a 3-speed then, but we changed a couple things. We changed the output on the Fuel Tech to where it's actually hitting the solenoid with power instead of ground from the Fuel Tech. Because Fuel Tech was, you can see on the data logs, it was actually telling it to shift, but it wasn't shifting.
It wouldn't shift.
And Jared's looking at the shifter after obviously we're bouncing off the rev limiter, and it damn sure didn't shift. So between Jared confirming, yeah, the damn thing didn't shift, it's on the rev limiter, so we had to do something. So we changed where the Fuel Tech would send power to it instead of ground. We're hoping that done it. And we also moved the solenoid. It was mounted right here somewhere or another, and Jared moved it to here, so maybe we got a shorter amount of line here, so perhaps between that and this, it'll do it.
This would be quite difficult to shift by ear, I guess.
I would imagine.
So what'd it go? You made one lick down in Bradenton. That, I guess, you went all the way through first gear.
No, we're just going first gear, first gear,
and that's it. What'd it go?
I don't even know what it went in.
Darlington.
But at 2.5, I think it went 394.
God.
We still got a long ways to go, but I mean, it's a brand new car. Hell, it's never made AB pass. We're hoping to change that today.
All right, well that's why we're out here testing.
That's it.
So we'll be getting some good video. It's a good looking car. It definitely makes enough power, and hopefully you guys can get it go down and through. So it looks good. We'll be filming this, and hopefully you'll be an even faster Aussie by the end of this. What's your personal best? What's the
383 at 205 in the old car.
God, that is flying. What's your personal best, Kevin?
I think I got it.
Yeah, I think I was
388. All right, you guys got.
That was 388 really fast.
Well, you guys are way ahead of me, but I'm telling you, I'm coming for you guys. I'm coming. Back over here with the black sheep. One chute popped out on the way down here. We got it up in the air after the dyno, and we are changing the oil. We just drained it For those of you guys that don't know what an oil change on alcohol looks like, and we're running Shell Rotella, we're changing it really every time we go to the track. And this is what it looks like, milky, get a bunch of alcohol in it. You guys see us after we make a pass, we is it every 3 hits we're changing it? Every 3 hits. We vacuum the valve covers, try to get as much moisture out. The catch can does fill up with a lot of moisture as well, and oil from blow-by, so we drain that. And we really just try to stay on top of it, really watching oil pressure. Really after about 3 or 4 hits, you'll see it drop. It'll drop about 5-10 pounds, so we know we go ahead and change it. The oil so far, how good has it looked?
What do you mean?
Like, you pull the drain plug, the magnet on it?
Looks good.
Yeah, looks really good. Yeah, nothing on the magnet yet, so that's what we're doing. Chris is over here cleaning up the polish. Look at simple green. That's the Dieter's custom finishing trick, and we got it shining. I got my badass camera, so we're gonna get some footage of this and Jared's car. So a lot of DCF and TKM love going on here. But I do want to say we got one son of a gun of a turbo right there. Forced Inductions 98 made 2,081 horsepower on the dyno yesterday on 25 pounds, and it definitely has more left in it. So that's badass. So if you haven't seen yesterday's video, go check that out. We're up at TKM on the hub dyno, and should be good to go. So that's what we got going on today. It'll be a long video. Might break it up into 2 videos, who knows, because we're gonna have a lot of great racing footage. We're gonna try to look at the data log so you guys can see what's going on more on the data log side of it as well, and especially talking with Jared and Kevin, it should be a pretty good video. So that's what we got going on today. Spontaneous testing down here in Florida.
I just want to make sure that Josie knows this is 100% cotton, not microfiber.
100%.
Yeah.
100% cotton.
100% cotton.
Literally cut that right off a sheep.
It like literally.
Straight off a sheep. All right, so we got everything all squared away. We're gonna add a little bit of travel up front. Logan's in there getting, what are you getting, the radio all figured out. We got my headset working. Got the rear suspension figured out. Drain the catch can. Go over here. They are getting ready to go. They're all hooked up. Gonna go up to the start line. Now look at you getting all suited up. You look all professional now.
Did you see Ricky Smith go down?
Yeah, he did.
9460.
What?
Went a 9460 on a brand new combo.
Wow. Yeah, that's fine. What are you about to go? You about to go a 0.7 60 foot? So what is the what's the setup for everyone at home that doesn't know what this car is? What's the deal on it?
C7 Corvette, Larry Jeffers built, and then we got the TKM Noonan 4.9 Hemi. It's a new style.
Bad to the bone.
Great to work on. Heads come off, manifold stays on. Mark Mickey 3-speed turbo 400.
Lockup?
We got a lockup.
Got a lockup. God dang.
Locking that bad boy up in first gear.
So it's set up to fly. So this car is set up to run RVW.
Yep.
You're gonna go ducks race.
Yeah, we'll go down there as long as everything pans out the next 2 days here.
A little testing. I hear they're testing in Darlington on Friday too. If you don't get enough testing,
Really?
they're testing there. Yes, that's what the word on the street is. I think you might be the only person that loves to test as much as I do. But the car looks absolutely amazing. It's like all carbon fiber. It's got all the nice stuff. It's got the wheels that I love on there. It's got the burn down tubes that go into the chassis. So right here, your breather, which would go to a catch can, goes into the chassis, goes into the top framer all the way to the back, and then it vents out the trunk. It's just got a bunch of really nice stuff. It's done by Dieter's custom finishing, so it's got the polish on there. Rock Solid Motorsports did the turbo kit. TKM Performance 4.9 Noonan Hemi that they absolutely did an amazing job putting it together. I think Jared's got another spare one sitting right there. So it is just absolutely sick setup, and like we said before, they're shaking it down. It's a brand new build. They're trying to get the bugs worked out of it, and they're just making some test hits. So hopefully it goes down, hopefully it shifts, hopefully everything works, and goes down through A to B and pull it back in the trailer at the end of the day. That's the goal here. So, Jared and Kevin, they just made a lick. Car bumped in, car shifted. That's really all they were looking for. The lockup came on a little early and knocked tires off, but that's why they're out here testing. The track condition is a lot different than when we were in South Carolina. South Carolina, it was a lot tackier, gluier, but it wasn't as much rubber. So there's a couple different factors into track prep. So we tightened up the rear shocks. We're gonna try to hit it hard with that 110 60 foot, and then we added a 1/2 inch of travel to try to keep everything kind of picking up the same, and then have the ass go higher than it with all that separation. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna get suited up. We'll stick a GoPro, I think, on the tire facing back so you guys can see that separation, and just give her a rip.
So you ready?
Yeah. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Logan, are you ready? Ben, are you ready? Hopefully it goes down through. We're on another 24-hour shift. Yeah, another 24-hour shift. Testing's more important than sleep.
That's right.
So we'll see. Added some travel, tightened up the rear, put a little power in it. Track looks good. Logan's gonna hold me straight in the burnout. Just got off the dyno at TKM. I mean, what more could you ask for?
That's right.
So let's suit it up here and give her a rip.
All right.
Got an issue with it in park. Go ahead. Hey. The issue on the trans brake, where it was pushing. Hold on. Yep, parachutes work. Transmission works. Oh, hey, Taylor.
Hi.
Welcome back to the vlog.
Thank you.
Parachute works. Parachute works.
It's working now?
Yeah, it's working. Ben, what do you think? It works. Looks good for my house. You're getting too old to be getting in and out of race cars. This Florida weather. So tell everyone at home what was going on with it. You're the transmission expert. I don't know this stuff.
Air pocket in the reverse circuit.
Yeah. It burped.
Sealed. It's like trying to pour Coke into like a bottle with a funnel. Unless you pick the funnel up, it's not going to fill up. It's just going to trap it with air.
Yeah. So that was a good explanation. Ben's stepping his game up 2020, making everyone at home feel like they know what's going on. Ben, parachute looks good when you pulled it.
Pump doesn't work.
The what?
Pump does not work.
The pump.
It shot the parachute out.
What pump?
Yeah, it shot the parachute out.
Did it really?
Wait, what are you talking about? What pump? I'm confused.
Hey, see that? That's missing.
Oh, yeah, I never took the air off it.
But it's still engaged.
Wait, what pump are you talking about?
He said bump.
Oh, the bump does not work.
But no, I think something's mixed up.
Yeah, because I changed it for.
Oh, wait, wait.
Not picking on one, putting
Oh,
it
you bumped and the parachute went up.
That's what I said.
Ben, we're not bumping that way anymore.
I changed it around to make it dummy proof. So that
I told you.
Hey, you know what? I'm so glad that Ben did it in the pits, because if I was on the start line and I go to bump in and the chute pops
I
off.
forgot I completely disabled all the bump stuff. I took it all out of the equation.
No. Oh, just now?
Yeah, but before we even did anything.
Well, God, you saved me so much embarrassment. Imagine that video.
Hold on, stop. So that means if he would have tried to bump while he got shot the parachute out?
No, I did this after we got back.
Oh, I was gonna say, imagine that video of the start line, and I would have no idea. So I would have pulled in the beams. Y'all be yelling over the radio.
No.
Oh my
Thank
God.
goodness you got your headset working.
Yeah, thank God we got the headset working. Ben, good job. This is why we keep you around.
Right.
You know, other than that, you're useless. You don't do shit around here.
Right.
Can I sit in it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Record me?
No, go. Hop in there. All right. So we got the transmission issue.
Turn that fan off just for a second.
Turn the fan off just for a second. Got the transmission issue, I think, figured out. Went to the wrong side of the fan. Trying to cool it down some. Oh, what are you good?
Yep.
All right, turn it back on. Here we go.
Turn it perfect.
All right. So, getting ready to make another lick. We're not gonna bump down this pass. We're just gonna see if it'll go down through.
That's between you and Ben. I think we should.
Okay. All right. We'll do that. Jared is gone. They're gone. They're going to make a pass.
Are they?
Yeah, they're gone. They're gone. I guess we'll walk up. We'll walk over here and see what's going on here. All right, making our way up here. Looks like Kevin's getting Jared all hooked in there. They made some changes to the lockup, but it did shift and it did bump last time, so good progress there. Good luck, sir. Have some fun. Be safe. So we just got back. Jared made a hit. Progress. They went further down track. Again, new setup. I'm kind of working it out. That looked good though. That thing was flying. It was flying for, I think it made it about probably 100 feet. We're gonna go up there. We're gonna pull in the beams. I'm gonna wait till the light turns green. I'm gonna grab the brake, build boost, let it bang the limiter, and then I'm gonna let go. And hopefully she rides. That's what we're going for.
We're not gonna do like the last video and pack up and go to the house.
No, no. Everyone got upset on the other video where we're like, yep, the sensor went bad, and I like ended the video, but it's real life. It's real, like, my channel is real life content. So when we're done, we load up. That's the end of the video. So don't you agree, Taylor? Yeah. Nice. All right, get excited. We're about to make a pass. About to make a pass. About to make a pass. We're just gonna go out there. We're gonna pull it in both beams. Get on the brake. Hopefully it holds. Fingers crossed. Think we got it figured out. And then hopefully go down and through. Hopefully it hooks A to B. Suspension changes. More power.
Don't forget the.
Oh, wait, I gotta pull the parachute. It's not in the bump box. Correct.
That's correct.
Okay. We're over here. These guys are doing their mid-round maintenance and looking at some data logs and just getting some data, testing. That's what we do. Go here and make a pass, get some data.
Yeah.
That's sweet.
Yeah, I don't know.
I do by the airlock.
Huh?
I do by the airlock.
Yeah.
That's what you said.
The normal vent in that.
He said airlock. He abbreviates. You ain't figured that out yet?
Huh?
They hadn't figured out how you abbreviate.
Oh.
In the rear of the case.
And that one has the logo.
Just yet.
What the fuck did you
So I don't
say?
know if it's like tight in between there.
What?
Fresh air. You can't breathe, you can't see.
Just close your eyes and go.
Hey, I can let you know he's not going to bump in, he's just going to roll in. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, we got to figure something out. He said, "Oh boy." Huh? 443. 443.
105 to 60, 443.
That one had 60. And that's on 25 pounds, y'all.
Yes, it did. 105 to 60.
Yeah, good job. Good job, dude. Hey, that's, yeah.
Hey, he said 2,000 horsepower is not enough. He needs more.
Turn it up.
I don't know. We'll look at the video.
So, what's your take on that?
Well, I mean, it went 105 to 60 foot cone, so, and 289 to 330, so.
Yeah.
And it's turned down. The top end stuff's turned down.
That's yeah. So that's
It went faster.
this went faster than it's ever had, and it's less than it's ever had. Right?
Mm-hmm.
What you think? Is he excited?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I know. Talking about it didn't pull his muffin cap back. You don't realize it actually.
Yeah, when he sees the video, he'll know.
What it went to the quarter at?
Let's see. They went through the quarter at. Oh wow.
773 at 111.
At 111. Yeah, he's moving. Oh, they both hit? Hey guys.
Oh,
Oh, he's got the sunglasses.
Oh my god.
Eruption in the trunk.
a little bit.
A lot of it.
A what?
Didn't want all that oil, huh?
No, look. It'll tell you when it's full of oil, and it is full of oil. But other than that, I'd say it went swimmingly. Did it drive a touch left?
I don't know. It looked straight.
I mean, it sounded fine. Never.
Oh, we had too much oil, huh?
Yeah, we got too much oil. Did it really go 105 to the 60 foot?
Oh yeah.
Oh, did it? Because I took a selfie up here, and I'm like 105 out the box with the damn Ellis Nasty.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Let me see the slip. God, I think it went on 105. I think it went on 105. Look at that damn 330. God, no. It just got, it's not.
You remember, it's on 25 pounds.
Yeah, it doesn't have a lot of, I mean,
out the back door.
Some steam, but it's just not making as much steam.
Oh, I just like to add, I threw the chutes, and it hit so hard my back was like, and it went 773 at 111, quarter mile time.
Mm-hmm.
We gotta clean up this.
Yeah, we got a little
Literally,
work to do.
it was so excited at 60 footed that good. It just it turtle-backed halfway down track.
That was like a snail trail.
This thing was halfway down track. It was like this.
Today to put that video up there with all them beautiful titanium bolts.
Oh, now's your chance, shameless plug. Look at this.
Wheel nuts, man.
What's the name of the business? These nuts?
No, Shiny Nuts.
WM titanium.
WM Titanium. Is that you?
That's me.
That's you. So if you guys, for all your titanium needs, I'll put Jared's Instagram in the description below. You can hit him up. He's got titanium everywhere. Did I hear you talking? You're gonna do like an LS dress-up kit, so everything titanium.
Yeah.
Saving weight.
RB30.
Wow.
Isn't that what that is? It's a Nissan motor.
Yeah, I don't know. That's a whole nother language to me.
RB30.
Talking about shrimp on the barbie or something like that.
Yeah, prawns. Same thing.
So you're getting ready to make a pass here. What last pass? It went out like what, 100 foot or so?
Yep.
And what changes you guys make? Is this top secret? Can you reveal that? What changes you guys made there?
Lose some weight, change some power a little bit, see what happens.
Still out here testing. You're chipping away at it though. You guys are getting further and further every time. And I guess that's what it takes with a brand new setup. But good God, it looked like it was moving pretty good. How'd it feel for the first 100 feet? Yeah? They look good. So, we got an in-car video here, so you guys will see what it's like riding along in an RVW car. Twin turbo TKM powered Hemi. And it's a bad son of a gun here. So, they are making progress, chipping away, and getting faster every pass. That's what it's all about. So, guys, a little secret here. These are my favorite wheels ever. And look at that. The titanium. He's got titanium everywhere. So, be on the lookout. Follow him on Instagram and check him out because you'll see him posting up about all these new titanium bolts that he came out with for really every application now. They're growing and growing. What do you think? Do we need to turn the Silverback Z06 into this? Or will it be this with this new street motor? Is that's what it might be? Absolutely. I don't know if the camera does it justice to how beautiful this car is, but
I've been just taking some off of this so we can. I mean, look at the colors it has on it.
I mean, it's just awesome.
And they got some good pictures.
God, you're over here, big cup photography. Where's your cup?
I was like, I got halfway here. I was like,
where's my cup? God, you're gonna start scratching your neck there. And it's like that's the biggest mystery on the channel is no one knows what's in it.
That's my ice cup dealer.
Oh, Kevin?
They went and got
Kevin went and got you some ice? I had to switch out the GoPro mount to a smaller one because I was worried this car is so fast that if there's any play in it, it's gonna just, and it still might even. So hopefully it goes down through. I'm ready to see this thing make a full lick.
I'm glad you talked me into this $10,000 helmet. It's fucking good, man. It goes on real nice.
Yeah, you gotta be comfortable in there, bud.
Need a bit of bullshit for there.
I think that was hooked up. I think it wiggled a little bit left. That was the one though.
1056.
God, it did.
It did. Yeah, 278.
A little shake out there. Well, she looked good. Got her rolling? Felt good? The next one you're going all the way down and through? Did you lift? Yeah. Did it start to shake a little bit? Yeah, I saw it. I saw it go left a little bit. But other than that, I mean, they look good. Oh, you don't want no action yet. I better get you early on before you get too many passes.
Come on.
Alright, y'all, be sure to stick around for tomorrow's video. We got Jared making more passes, Kevin doing more tuning, working on the Black Sheep. We said new personal best in tomorrow's video, so be sure to check it out. We're still down here in Orlando testing another day, so we got 2 more videos. We got 3 more videos of racing and testing going on. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, subscribe. We'll see you guys in tomorrow's upload.